Naming your devices is a great way to keep your account organized and see exactly which vehicle or asset you're looking at. Let's take a look. First, find the SN number on the left hand side of the screen. This number will match the barcode on your physical device. If you have multiple devices, you can also search by the last four digits of the serial number to make it easier. Once you've found the correct device, click on it. Then, below the map, click Install in Vehicle. Here, you can enter the VIN number. If you don't have a VIN number or your VIN isn't decodable, simply select No VIN/non-decodable and click Next. If you entered a VIN number, the system will automatically fill out some of the vehicle info for you. If you did not enter a VIN, you can fill in as much or as little info as you want. This is all for your own organizational purposes. The most important field here is name. This is the name that will display on the map, so choose a name that clearly identifies the vehicle. Once you're done, click Install. Your new device name will now appear on the map. If you have any questions or want help naming and organizing your devices, feel free to call us at 800-578-1809 or email us at support@gpsandtrack.com. We're always happy to help.